Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Let's have a look at microwave application scenarios.
Microwave communication technology is widely applied to scenarios where building optical networks is costly. Scenario 1. Service backhaul at mobile base stations. Microwave devices are mainly used in mobile base stations to transmit signals to the BSC, RNC, or MME for switching. Scenario 2. Alternative to optical networks. When optical fibers are difficult to deploy due to geographical or other restraints, microwave is often used as the alternative. Scenario 3. Backup for links. Microwave is often used as the backup link in optical transmission networks. Scenario 4. Enterprise private network. With operations that often traverse adverse terrains, industries like oil pipeline and power transmission often deploy microwave links instead of optical fibers. Scenario 5. VIP customer private line. When building their own networks, VIP customers often use microwave to transmit services to carrier networks.
That's all for today. Thank you.